Everyone says their favorite AI is the best, but after weeks of testing GPT 5.6 SOL, Gemini 3.6 Flash, and Claude Fable 5, I found results that completely changed my opinion. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI deserves your time.
This chart plots raw intelligence against the cost to complete a task. Claude Fable 5 sits at the top of the y-axis, but its position on the far right represents a substantial cost premium for a marginal lead in performance. GPT 5.6 SOL sits roughly 1 point below Fable on the intelligence scale, but moves significantly toward the left, offering a more efficient cost profile. In the bottom left, Gemini 3.6 Flash establishes the budget floor for the ecosystem.
This isn't another popularity contest. I'm comparing these models using real-world software development, reasoning ability, speed, multimodal intelligence. If you're building products or writing code every day, these differences matter. We'll start with GPT 5.6 SOL, the model that's attracting attention for its strong performance on software engineering tasks and agentic coding workflows. Let's begin with GPT 5.6 OL. This is OpenAI's flagship model. It is designed for developers and AI agents. It isn't just answering questions, it plans tasks and writes production-ready code. Independent evaluations consistently place GPT 5.60 models available today. It performs exceptionally well on agentic software engineering and multi-step programming frontier models. Where GPT 5.6 SOL really shines is in end-to-end development. It can a large code base, identify bugs, generate clean architecture, refactor existing projects. GPT 5.6 SOL understands entire projects, not just single files. That makes it incredibly useful for large-scale software development. It also responds surprisingly fast while maintaining high-quality reasoning, making daily coding sessions smoother and significantly more productive. But coding power isn't everything. Speed, multimodal features, and value also matter, and that's where Gemini enters the competition.
Here is the difference between Gemini 3.5 Flash versus Gemini 3.6 Flash. This includes speed and cost efficiency, with fewer output tokens and more quick response compared to 3.5 Flash. Gemini 3.6 Flash launched sub-agents without needing to involve timers. Gemini 3.6 Flash produces richer, higher clarity artifact.
Gemini 3.6 Flash takes a different approach. Instead of focusing only on coding, it combines speed with powerful multimodal intelligence. Gemini 3.6 Flash is built for speed and productivity, especially if your workflow already depends on Google's ecosystem every day. Its biggest strength is multimodal intelligence. It understands images, documents, audio, and video together without breaking your workflow. For everyday tasks, Gemini feels incredibly responsive. Its speed makes research, content creation, and productivity workflows feel almost effortless. Now let's talk about Claude Fable 5, a model known for thoughtful reasoning and solving complex technical problems. Claude performs exceptionally well when analyzing large systems, understanding architecture, and explaining complicated code. It's especially useful during debugging because it explains why something failed instead of only suggesting a quick fix. Now let's compare all three models side by side across the categories that matter most to developers and creators. For professional software development, GPT 5.6 SOL delivers the strongest overall coding workflow, while Claude remains excellent for complex debugging. When deep reasoning and careful analysis matter most, Claude Fable 5 stands out with thoughtful explanations and structured problem solving. For speed, everyday productivity, and multimodal workflows, Gemini 3.6 Flash delivers an excellent experience across Google's ecosystem. So which model actually wins? The answer depends entirely on what you need AI to help you accomplish. If your priority is professional software engineering, GPT 5.6 SOL is the model I'd choose for production development. If you regularly solve difficult problems or review large systems, Claude Fable 5 becomes an outstanding technical partner. For fast responses and everyday productivity, Gemini 3.6 Flash feels incredibly efficient across Google's ecosystem. Each model has clear strengths, so choosing the right one matters more than chasing a single overall winner. Developers, creators, and business owners often need different AI capabilities, which is why no single model fits everyone. The most successful professionals don't rely on one model. They combine multiple AI tools to build faster, smarter workflows. AI is evolving rapidly, so the best approach is learning how each model fits different real-world tasks. Which model would you choose today? Let me know in the comments, and tell me what you'd like me to compare next. If this comparison helped you, subscribe for more AI deep dives. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.